He loves you anyway. The cat loves you. It was that long ride from Big Piney, wasn't it?
Sweetie, there are too many kids in your car.
I would have got out and walked. That would have helped. There's that slow. There he is, Mr. Lovely. Where'd he go? Okay. Doesn't everybody need one of these on their sofa? Whoops. Oh, yeah.
Red, wait.
Here comes the rest of the herd.
Where's Chansey? Somebody's torturing him.
Coming upstairs.
Chansey! Chansey!
Here, Lottie.
Honey, how do you shut this off? Woo!
Jim? Jesse. Jim? Yay, good job. Here, I'll hold him on this sofa.
The green-eyed monster.
Oh, Roddy, get. Get, Roddy. Green eye. Get. Jesse, get. Get. Chance. Hold. Roddy.
Get off the table,
Here's Mom. Mom.
Oh, isn't he cute? Growling at everybody. Get him off the table, please.
Here, come on. Chancey.
Oh, that's special.
He's running in between your legs.
There, Kenneth. Stay out.
Roddy, Roddy, settle. Here. Put down.
Who got that all? Sorry, yeah. Boy, that was a lot of work.
Now, of course, we all know we're Morgan.
Good.
about your machine, Justin? You tell me about it.
Heels. Toes. Knees.
Have you talked to her? No.
She's funny. She's different.